Bonjour. So a lot of you guys DM me, text me, comment below that you want to see what I'm using for my skin. So I'm about to show you people. This is for my girls that want to shrink their pores, get rid of blackheads, get rid of irregular skin texture, and they want their skin to just look healthy without being too oily. So if that's your vibe, watch this. So I had a baby about 8 months ago and my skin kind of was all out of whack, and now I'm getting everything back to normal. So there were things that really I wanted to attack with my skin. For instance, I wanted to minimize the size of my pores. I wanted to get rid of my blackheads because I feel like after I was pregnant and had a baby, everything was open and big. I wanted everything to just look smoother and better. So I have a friend that works for Caudalíe, which I've talked about a million times, that I'm obsessed with, and you guys know this. I used to do videos for them, everything. They're coming out with a new line of products called Vinopure. And she's like, it's exactly what you want. It's exactly what you're talking about. And I was like, all right. So they let me take a test drive. And I was like, whoa, wowzers. And now I'm gonna show you the test drive. There's a toner, a fluid, and a serum. And so it's like a 3-step process. But I noticed that it did make my skin bounce back when I finally decided to get serious. So I'm feeling my skin. Listen, we can't do anything about my melasma. I mean, we could, but we're not. So now I'm just focusing on my skin, and I just want it to be the best version of my skin that I have. So the first thing we're gonna do is take the Vinopure Purifying Toner. So this is gonna set the mood, honey, like Barry White. Oh. So this is supposed to balance the skin, kind of vacuum the pores, and prepare the skin for any sort of other skincare that you're gonna use. So I just kind of place it, and I gotta tell you something, the smell, I'm like a stickler for smells. Like sometimes something will smell and I can't use the product because I can't get over the smell. This just smells like you walked into like an essential oils emporium. I could bathe in this. I'm obsessed with this. But again, this is just gonna kind of prepare your skin, balance your skin. I love it. And then when I read about it, I was like, oh, what kind of fragrance what fragrance is this? It should be labeled heaven. And I realized that it's not a fragrance, it's fragrance free. This is really natural from everything that they put in their product. So, ta-da. My skin already looks better, it's kind of insane. So that's the first thing. The next step is the Vinopure Skin Perfecting Serum. So I'm gonna take 3 little squirts. It's kind of like this light jelly texture. It's a serum. I'm gonna place it all over my skin. Okay, so what they told me this does is it reduces the production of sebum, which makes your skin have blackheads, which is what's seeping out of your pores, and also what makes your skin look dull and yucky. It also gives you a natural glow. You can see that my skin looks brighter without giving too much of a glow. And also it's pretty much unclogging, and I can feel it, you can feel your skin kind of get a little tighter, so it's tightening your pores. I mean, honestly, I feel like my skin already looks better. It's kind of crazy. So the last part is the Skin Perfecting Mattifying Fluid, which is part of the Vinopure line. This is great for combination and oily skin. This whole thing is great for that. So this is just kind of like a moisturizer. So I'm just gonna take it and apply. And if you're wondering why I'm not going under my bangs, it's because at night I do, but I'm about to go to something, so it's gonna get all over my bangs and I don't want it to. This is like the holy grail. You can wear this without the serum, you can wear it alone, or you can wear it with the serum. I say double up, baby, but this is gonna reduce any blemishes that you have. This also moisturizes. You guys saw how much I put in. It's not gonna give you a crazy shine. There was so much on here. So one of the things that is in all 3 products is this 100% natural salicylic acid. 100% natural. So if you're into natural skincare, this is your jam. It's a wintergreen, and you can feel it. You can feel the effervescence of a wintergreen, and you can feel it just working on your skin. So everything in these products has that. I'm obsessed with it. I've been using it now for a little while. It's not even out yet. These were testers that they gave me. They're like, don't tell anybody. So I'm gonna tell you. These are available to buy on Caudalíe's website and Sephora. Anyway, I'm obsessed. Comment below. Hope you guys enjoyed this. You wanted to see what kind of skincare I'm using, and this is what I've been using lately, and I'm really obsessed with it. And you can get it too now, girl. Okay. Anyway, comment below. Tell me what you want to see. And thanks for joining me. Bye.